1000 LB Sisters fans are buzzing with excitement and curiosity as Tammy Slaton, the reality television personality known for her journey on TLC's hit show, has revealed major news about her relationship with Andrea following her recent skin removal surgery. Tammy, who has been in the public eye for years due to her health struggles and weight loss journey alongside her sister Amy Slaton, has been remarkably candid about her experiences, both medical and personal. Fans who have closely followed her story know that Tammy's path to better health has been far from easy, encompassing significant physical challenges, emotional hurdles, and profound personal growth. Now, in the wake of a transformative surgical procedure, she has opened up about her romantic life, giving fans an intimate glimpse into a chapter that has remained largely private until now. Tammy Slaton's relationship with Andrea has been a topic of speculation among 1000 LB Sisters enthusiasts for some time. Andrea has consistently appeared as a supportive figure in Tammy's life, offering encouragement during some of the most difficult moments of her weight loss journey. Sources close to the couple suggest that Andrea has been a constant presence, helping Tammy navigate the emotional and physical challenges that come with dramatic lifestyle changes and medical interventions. Fans have long wondered about the nature of their bond, with social media interactions fueling speculation about whether the connection is purely platonic, romantic, or somewhere in between. With Tammy's latest announcement, many of these questions are finally being addressed. The timing of Tammy's revelation is significant. She recently underwent a major skin removal surgery, a procedure that was both medically necessary and personally transformative. After her dramatic weight loss, Tammy faced excess skin issues, which posed not only health risks but also psychological challenges related to self-image and confidence. The surgery, performed by a renowned team of specialists, involved extensive planning, preparation, and recovery, and Tammy has documented much of this journey for her followers. Her openness about the surgery, the pain, the recovery process, and the emotional impact has resonated with fans, who have admired her bravery and vulnerability. In discussing her relationship news alongside her medical journey, Tammy has provided a holistic view of how her life is evolving post-surgery. During a recent social media live stream, Tammy shared heartfelt insights into her connection with Andrea. She described the relationship as a lifeline during a period of significant change, emphasizing the emotional support, understanding, and unwavering presence that Andrea has provided. According to Tammy, the bond has strengthened over time, particularly as she has navigated the complexities of her post-surgery recovery. She highlighted moments of joy, humor, and shared vulnerability, illustrating that the relationship is rooted in mutual respect, trust, and emotional intimacy. Fans were particularly struck by Tammy's candid discussion of how Andrea has helped her confront insecurities and embrace self-love, which has been a recurring theme in her public narrative. This announcement has broader implications for Tammy's public image and the ongoing storylines of 1000 LB Sisters. Throughout the series, viewers have witnessed Tammy's struggles with weight, health, and personal relationships. Her honesty about her life has made her a relatable figure for many, and her ability to confront difficult topics head-on has been a hallmark of her television presence. By revealing details about her relationship with Andrea, Tammy is not only satisfying fan curiosity but also providing a narrative of resilience and emotional growth. The revelation underscores her evolution from someone defined by physical challenges to an individual embracing holistic well-being, which includes mental, emotional, and relational health. Experts in reality television and fan engagement note that personal disclosures like Tammy's often strengthen audience connection. Fans feel invested when a public figure shares authentic experiences that intersect with health, relationships, and personal milestones. In Tammy's case, her disclosure about Andrea is likely to deepen viewer empathy and engagement, as it highlights the human dimensions behind the televised drama. Relationship dynamics, especially those tied to major life changes such as weight loss or surgery, offer compelling narratives that resonate across demographics. For 1000 LB Sisters viewer, Tammy's revelation adds a new layer of emotional complexity to the show, potentially influencing future storylines and fan discussions. Social media responses to Tammy's announcement have been overwhelmingly supportive, though naturally, some speculation and curiosity persist. Fans flooded comments with praise for both Tammy and Andrea, highlighting the importance of emotional support in challenging times. Posts emphasized themes of loyalty, love, and personal growth, with many viewers expressing relief and happiness that Tammy has a partner who stands by her side. Online discussions have also explored the positive impact of Andrea's presence on Tammy's mental health and overall recovery, reinforcing the notion that strong relationships can be a crucial factor in personal transformation. The fan community has framed the news as a celebration of love and perseverance, marking a joyful milestone in Tammy's ongoing journey. Tammy's story is further contextualized by her long-standing commitment to health improvement. Beyond skin removal surgery, she has undergone gastric sleeve procedures and lifestyle interventions aimed at promoting sustainable weight loss. These efforts have required immense dedication, patience, and resilience, with numerous challenges along the way. Her transparency about setbacks, emotional struggles, and physical obstacles has provided an authentic perspective on the realities of extreme weight loss. Within this context, her relationship announcement serves as a reminder that personal milestones, whether medical, emotional, or relational, are interconnected. Andrea's role in Tammy's life exemplifies the kind of support system that can help individuals thrive during transformative periods. Industry insiders also note that Tammy's public announcement may influence broader discussions around body image, self-esteem, and the intersection of health and personal relationships. Her openness challenges societal narratives that often marginalize individuals with non-traditional body types or who face medical challenges. By highlighting a relationship that thrives amidst adversity, Tammy provides a model of love that transcends superficial appearances, emphasizing emotional connection and shared resilience. Advocates for health and wellness communities have lauded her for destigmatizing conversations around post-surgery recovery and the complexities of romantic partnerships during personal transformation. Looking ahead, Tammy's revelation about Andrea is likely to inspire both fans and fellow reality TV personalities. The announcement sets a precedent for candidness and vulnerability, encouraging others to discuss personal relationships in tandem with health journeys. For 1000 LB Sisters, the news may shape upcoming episodes or behind-the-scenes narratives, offering viewer an intimate understanding of Tammy's evolving life. Additionally, it provides an opportunity for storytelling that goes beyond the challenges of weight loss, capturing the richness of human connection, emotional resilience, and the joy of finding support in unexpected places. In conclusion, Tammy Slaton's major announcement regarding her relationship with Andrea comes at a pivotal moment in her life. Following her transformative skin removal surgery, she has embraced a period of personal growth, self-reflection, and emotional clarity. Andrea's presence has been a source of stability and encouragement, reinforcing the significance of meaningful connections in navigating life's challenges. Fans of 1000 LB Sisters now have a deeper understanding of Tammy's journey, one that encompasses health, romance, and resilience. Her candidness not only enriches her public persona but also offers inspiration to those facing similar struggles, demonstrating that love, support, and personal determination can coexist to create a fulfilling, multidimensional life. As the reality TV star continues to share her experiences, viewer can anticipate further revelations, emotional insights, and moments of triumph that underscore the transformative power of personal growth and authentic relationships. Tammy's journey is a testament to perseverance, courage, and the human capacity for change. Her willingness to openly discuss her relationship with Andrea, especially in the context of significant medical procedures, signals a new chapter in her public narrative. This chapter is marked by honesty, emotional depth, and the affirmation that meaningful relationships can play a crucial role in recovery and self-discovery. Fans of 1000 LB Sisters will undoubtedly follow this story with keen interest, eager to witness the continued evolution of Tammy's life, health, and love. The announcement is more than a headline. It is a celebration of resilience, the power of support, and the enduring possibility of happiness despite life's challenges. As Tammy Slaton navigates life after her skin removal surgery, her relationship with Andrea stands as a symbol of stability and emotional nourishment. The announcement underscores the interplay between personal health journeys and romantic partnerships, highlighting how mutual care and understanding can enhance both emotional and physical well-being. For audiences, the news provides a meaningful narrative that transcends reality television drama, offering lessons in patience, empathy, and the value of authentic connection. The story of Tammy and Andreas serves as an inspiring example of how love and support can flourish even amidst the most challenging circumstances, creating a compelling, human-centered narrative that resonates far beyond the confines of a television screen. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.